So the vertical integration there with the manufacturer, is that been something that's helped through all of these supply chain issues and just logistics in general? I'm sure has made life easier, but it's been a challenge for a lot of people over the last, we're going on like 2 years now. So, what's that impact been to TowerTech specifically?
Yeah, I will say, in all my years of business, and I think everyone in business right now has never experienced or seen anything like we're seeing right now with supply chain, inflation, cost increases. And it's been a challenge for all of us to navigate, kind of new waters. And we've been fortunate on multiple fronts. First with, the Creative Composites Group, in that, we have some really key core suppliers that have been great partners to TowerTech for 20 plus years. And so, the communication there helped us with some advanced planning, advanced foresight to know some of the challenges that were ahead. And, the support of, our parent company and, having a world view of what was going on. And so, we've been fortunate because we're struggling with the same supply chain issues, the same price control issues, but we've been able to maintain our lead times. And, we're proud to say in our industry, one thing TowerTech's always had is the fastest lead times. We typically quoted 4 to 6 weeks, but in emergency situations, where it's critical, we built towers in 3 to 4 days to meet a customer's critical needs. And that's in fact how our rental division got started in the first place, was, meeting those critical needs. And there was not a rental cooling tower industry before TowerTech invented it. And now we are the largest supplier of cooling towers for rental.
Yep.
And so, because of that, we always had the mentality of fast lead times. And so even as our lead times have crept up, we've been quoting, 10 to 12 weeks, what's going on in the industry where in a lot of cases it's 4 to 6 months or longer. And so, we've always been able, with the help of our suppliers, to be able to continue to provide fast lead times. In fact, even today, we've had a recent situation where we needed to get a cooling tower out in a really short period of time, where we were able to do that, and we continued to make sure we're able to do that. Nice. Because there are situations where it's a critical installation or an emergency shutdown that was unplanned, and so we like to think of ourselves as the answer to those situations.